Welcome to SuiteTrails. In today's video, join us as we embark on 2 breathtaking cruises and boat tours in the stunning city of Bilbao. Get ready to explore the hidden gems and picturesque landscapes that this vibrant destination has to offer. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Embark on a sailing tour through the heart of Bilbao. Get a new perspective of this beautiful city from the estuary. The boat has a capacity of 80 people and seating both outside and inside. On the 1-hour tour, set off from the City Hall Bridge in Payo Baroya Square through the heart of the villa. Head toward Zorozore Riverbank and finally to the entrance of the Deusto Canal. Conclude the tour where you began. On the 2-hour route, begin from the same jetty in Payo Baroya Square. Cruise past Bilbao's most significant landmarks and buildings and then on a tour of the estuary to the Puente Vizcaya area. Listen to an audio guide, available in Spanish, Basque, English, French, German, and Italian, to pick up insights into the particular route being sailed and the history of the city and its buildings, bridges, and other constructions. Number 2. Enjoy a boat ride along the Bilbao River. Pass important buildings including the Guggenheim Museum and the University of Deusto. Stroll through the city on a walking tour, walk under the different bridges in Bilbao and to Casco Viejo. Finish the tour by tasting a pincho, tapa, and having a drink. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.